Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 1 of your assessment paper number 8, which is on percentage. Now let's do a quick recap of what percentage is before we go into the questions, alright? So the percentage is basically, wow, this is a big marker, hold on. Percentage is basically out of 100 parts. So basically, if you know what this is, it just simply means that if you were to draw a model, yes, if you were to draw a model, or basically if you were to take something, you divide it by 100 units, okay? So 1% will be 1 unit, 100% will be 100 units. Very simple. And the other thing you need to you need to know is that if you want to convert, let's say a fraction 1 over 7, to find a percentage, you just have to times it by 100%. If let's say you want to change a decimal, let's say 0.34 into a percentage, again you just times 100%. So this is basically like 3/4 of the stuff you need to know in percentage. It's very simple. So today, for example, 0.34 times 100% is going to give you, all you have to do is leave the percentage 34, take decimal point once and twice, and you get 34.0 or 34%. 1 over 7 times 100% is basically, we take our calculator, we take 1 divided by 7, and that gives us 0.14285. All we have to do is times 100%, and we'll get the answer for the percentage, which is 14.285 or 14.29 or 14.3. Okay, 14.3%. This is an estimation, alright? With that, let's move on to the question on your question paper. The question says, part A, if 9% of a number is 27, what is the number? This is similar to saying if 9 units of a number is 27, what is the number? So 9% is 27, so 1% is 27 divided by 9, which gives you what? 3. So 100%, which is the number, is 300, because 3 times 100. That's it, okay? Let's move on to part B, very fast. Part B says, express 0.0037 as a percentage. Again, this looks very tricky, but all you have to do is just times 100%. And what you will find is, you will get 1 and 2, and you will get 0.37%. That is the answer. Okay, for part C, let's take a look. Wow, we're moving really fast. Part C says, Su Lian bought a CD-ROM at a discount. This is something called a discount. A discount basically means it's a reduction. It's a we make it lesser, minus, yeah. So if she paid the cashier $18, what was the original price of the CD-ROM? So original price is always what? Original price is always 100%. Please keep this in your head. Original price is always 100%. So with a discount of 20%, which means 100% minus 20%, the price that she paid for was actually 80%. And 80% actually equals to $18. So the question is asking you for what is the original price. Okay, 18 divided by 80 to find 1%, and then I times 100. This is a shortcut, okay? So what you will get is 18 divided by 80 times 100, which gives you 22.5%. Okay, bam. Very simple. Move on. Part D. Part D says, Zakaria bought 2 kilograms of sugar. He used 500 grams for a fruit punch and 0.7 kilograms for a cake. What percentage of sugar was left? So he originally had 2 kilograms. And he used 500 grams. So you minus 500 grams. And then minus 0.7 kilograms. So first off, we need to make it all in the same units. What I would do is I would change this over here, because this is in grams and both of these are in kilograms. So I change 500 grams to kilogram. What do I get? 500 divided by 1000. Why 1000? Because 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram, which gives me 0.5 kilograms. So the question is asking you for what percentage is left. Am I right? Yeah, what percentage was left? Which basically means 2 minus 0.5 minus 0.7, which gives you the answer 0.8 kilograms was left. But they're asking you for the percentage that was left. So percentage will always be something over something times 100%. Am I right? Now it's always something over the original. The original weight over here is 2 kilograms. So we have 2 And what is left over? 0.8. 0.8 divided by 2 will give you 0.4. 0.4 times 100% will give you 40%. Okay, let's just check this very quickly. 0.8 divided by 2 gives you 0.4 times 100% gives you 40%. Alright, so that's right. And finally, part E. Let's go on to part E. Part E says the price of a watch decreased, which is went down from 120 in year 2008 to $66 in year 2010. What is the percentage decrease? Now, this is very important. Percentage decrease, if you remember, is basically the decrease or the difference. I'm going to write this for you. Over the original price times 100%. So what is the decrease? Let's check it out. The decrease is from 120 to 66. So the difference is 120 minus 66. And the original is 120. You multiply that by 100%. 120 minus 66 is going to give you the answer of 54 over 120 times 100%. And you will put it in our calculator. 54 divided by 120. You get 45 times 100% is going to give you 45%. So let's check again. 120 minus 66, does that give you 54? I think I'm right. Yes, correct. So therefore the answer is 45%. And basically we've done 1A to E within like a few minutes. So that is all there is to it. Percentage is very easy. If you got all of them right, I'm going to give you a big high five right now because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so basically that's it. And the quote of the week is, don't force it, just reinforce it. Reinforce means to repeat it. Okay, so for example, if you don't understand a concept in math, or if you don't understand how to do a question in math, don't force it. Don't try to force yourself to understand how to do it. Just keep repeating it. Just keep reading it. Just for example, if you have a question and you have the answer to it, but you don't understand how to get the answer, just keep reading the answer. After a while, you just click. Right? I think you've most probably already experienced this before. Somehow your mind just works on whatever confusion you have, then all of a sudden, bam, click. So don't force it, just keep reinforcing it. So don't force it, reinforce it. Good, true for school, true for life. Alright, and with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.